Okay, today we're going to tackle opening up the Jura Z6 PEP super automatic coffee machine. There are some other video instructions on how to do this, but I found a trick that makes it a lot easier. We're going to remove the back plate, use a little trick with a wooden skewer, lift up on it, and then pull out with the skewer. There you go, and that opens the back up. Now, there are 4 proprietary oval bolts in the back of this machine, and you need to buy the proprietary Jura bolt remover. Jura-parts.com have these, and that's where I got it. It was $14. And what we do is use a driver and pull them all out one by one. Once you get those out, you simply lift up on the back of this piece of plastic, it'll come off. And then you need to get a number 10 Torx driver, one of these, number 10. And there are 2 Torx screws, one here and one here. Now, they show you in other videos that you just pull on this and this will come out, but that is not what I found works best. Come around this side. We're going to take out the coffee tray, remove, of course, the water, and what we're going to do is use a little piece of wood right in here, and you're going to find the edge of this, and you're going to give it a little hammering like that. And that releases it from the clips. And now the side comes off easily. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and click like. Thanks.